today we'll have a look at the classic mistake that consists in saying that this thing would be equal to x minus 2 minus 2x plus 4 over 3. This is perfectly wrong. You see that we can bring these two denominators together because the two denominators are the same, but then what we get at the numerator is not what we have here. Let's try and explain why. So here you see that the numerator of this fraction here works as a whole, and so does this one. To clearly emphasize this, we can actually add brackets here and there to the two numerators. And so when you go for the subtraction here, you see that you need to subtract 2x plus 4 as a whole from the x minus 2. And the whole thing will be over 3. And if you understand how to remove brackets preceded by a minus here, you see that what you get in the end here is the x minus 2 minus 2x minus 4. Because this minus turns this 2x into a minus 2x and this 4 into a minus 4 because of the brackets here that were implicit in the fraction, but that still matter here. So we get this numerator over 3, and combining like terms here will leave you to x minus 2x minus x, and minus 2 minus 4 is a minus 6 over 3. And this is the correct way to deal with these fractions.